words inside my chest, too heavy to be heard, afraid that if I let them fall, they might shatter into hurt. I carried silence like a promise, never meant to be kept. Every feeling stayed unspoken, every truth quietly slept. Then the wind began to move, and I didn't have to try. Couldn't find my voice. It carried every secret, every unmade choice. The wind spoke for me with no need to explain. It turned my quiet suffering into something light again. The trees lean into breathing, never holding anything tight. They release and they return without asking if it's right. What if I don't need perfect words? My feelings pass. What if letting go is gentle, like the wind upon the grass? I feel my shoulders loosening as the air moves through my neck. Learn how to leave quietly. The wind spoke for me. Nothing forced, nothing rushed. Even pain knows how to soften when it's finally been touched. You don't have to tell your story for it to be